Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own gradient text effect on CapCut PC. It is pretty simple actually. I'm just going to type in the word example. You can type in anything you want, of course. And I'm just going to select a font for this. Let's see, what font do I want? Let's just select this one. So I'm just going to color it in any color that I want. Just gonna kind of layer that. Maybe like a green here. Right click, create compound clip on all of the text separately. You're going to want to have to do that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the text, go to video, go to mask, and select the horizontal or the mirror one. I'm going to select the mirror one. Then I'm going to just feather that out. Then I'm going to select the next one, again, video, mirror. And then I'm going to also feather that out. Lastly, we have this one, video, mask. And I'm going to then feather that out. You can adjust it however you want and with whatever colors you want, of course. I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to feather it out just a little bit more. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!